welcome to today's video. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a no mirror makeup challenge. I've done this challenge before on my channel, but I'm going to do it again because it was so much fun. So yeah, I do have my mirror, but I'm only going to use it kind of right after I finish the look. So I'm going to put it like far away from me so I can't see it. So the only thing I have is my viewfinder and my monitor, but I won't look at those. I mean, they're kind of further away, so it's kind of hard to see. So yeah, So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face and my eyes. I like to do this all at once, like prime my face and eyes, because I use one face primer for both face and eyes. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Prime Face Primer. I'm just going to get a little bit of that first, going to prime my face. Okay, now we're ready to start. And now I think, you know what I did forget? I did forget to bring my eyebrow stuff. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave my eyebrows just like this. Or, no, I'm going to fill them in. So I'm going to take my Rimmel Magnifying Eyes Nude Palette, this shade here, just to fill in my eyebrows. So now I'm going to do foundation. I'm going to use my Maybelline Dream BB Pure Tinted Moisturizer, and then I'm going to use my DIY Tinted Moisturizer. And like I said, I'm only going to use I think I got some on my eyelash. So I'm going to take what's left on the back of my hand and use my e.l.f. blurring foundation brush, a liquid foundation brush, and then just blend everything together. For concealer, I'm going to use my Max Coverage Concealer Brush from Bare Minerals. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Light Peach. I'm just going to conceal the under eye area, conceal any blemishes. I know it's around here, around the jawline I have. To set the concealer and the foundation, I'm going to use my Catrice HD Baking and Setting loose powder, and this is in translucent. My concealer is set to the foundation and the rest of the concealer. Here I'm just going to gently brush over the foundation. Blush. This is the L'Oreal Whisk Lift cream blush in the color Peach Gold Lift. And I'm just going to use my Sonia Kashuk blush brush. And just apply the blush to the apple. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm actually going to use my blush that I used for my cheeks. So I'm just going to take it with my finger and just lightly put it on my lid. Same thing to the other eye. Now I'm going to go into my Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the color Sunlight. I'm just going to add that into the crease Actually, use a different brush. I'm gonna use this, what is it? Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam brush. I'm just going to lightly put that in the crease. To darken up the crease just a little bit, I'm going to apply a darker shade, which is this one here from the Rimmel Nudes palette. Okay, so I'm going to take that shade with the same brush that I used to apply the bronzer and just lightly darken up the crease for a blending brush and blend that shade out. Okay, with the same shade, I'm actually going to line the upper lash line. This is always a hurt for me. In the last video, it was like so hard. Now I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. And this is the waterproof one. I'm just going to coat the lashes. Now I'm going to apply my lip liner. This is from NYX. This is a matte lip liner, and this is in the color Soft Spoken. Going with my hand in liquid lipstick in the number 6. Is I'm going to apply my DIY finishing spray. Okay, so now for the reveal. I have not looked at what I've done, so I'm going to film my reaction to the makeup look that I did without using a mirror. So here we go. Whoa! I mean, foundation's great. Blush is getting better. I'm really surprised with the eyeshadow. I did such a good job with that. And eyebrows are a little crazy, but yeah, I think it's good. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!